Learn to make the perfect ramen noodles with mimosas. Hard or soft, boil an egg to your preference. Slice a green onion, also known as a spring onion. Next, slice a piece of ham in half. Cut the prepared egg in half. Boil the water. Cut open the packet and place the noodles in a bowl. Pour in boiled water. Cover and leave to cook according to package instructions. Uncover and loosen the noodles. Mix everything together. Add the toppings. And there you have the perfect ramen noodles. Please subscribe to my channel.